Hello everybody. So today we've already got the rope hooked up. We cut some branches already earlier. Okay. If I cut it, it's leaning towards the house. We don't want it to go to the house, so remember, don't try this at home. Only if you're a professional. Okay, look. We got a rope onto it, hooked up to the truck. There's the driver. Okay. So our plan is this. Come over here about waist high, cut it, no hinge cut, just cut a little bit in the front. Come right here, and then I'm gonna have her go forward with it, and the tree's gonna go bam. Okay? All right, here we go. Let's do this. The thing is, this is we're only going to cut it halfway because my son's going to climb it and take care of the rest. Okay, that's his little step ladder he likes to jump on. He jumps on, gets to his window, comes out, and runs around here at nighttime. These are some wild animals running around out here. All right, then, let's do this. Go forward, but you're going, keep going a little bit, so I'll tell you. Tighten up the string, tighten up the line. Keep going a little bit. Keep going a little bit, right there.
Go, mama! Jack, get back. Oh, shit!
Perfect, y'all, perfect. Y'all see that? Now we don't have to worry about it touching the house one day. Thanks to her, she did a good job. Look at her.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
All right, y'all have a good day. Everybody have a good day today. And where's the dog at? Where's she at? She took off running. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Where's she at? Come here, girl. Oh, there she is. She said, oh, we're going to get some bunny rabbits tonight, ain't we? Ain't we? We'll get some bunny rabbits tonight, ain't we, girl? Huh? All right. Y'all all have a good day today.